This video will show you how to replace your rear inside brake lamp assembly on this Toyota Corolla. This will be mounted to the rear of your trunk. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Open your trunk lid. Now with that open, we're looking along the inboard side of our trunk lid. Let's take hold of this harness. We're going to turn it counterclockwise, remove the bulb. A quick inspection will set that aside. Now at this point, you can see two pieces of mounting hardware here, but there's a third. The third one's located just under this area. So we're going to dislodge this by removing one push clip. To remove that push clip, I'm just using a trim tool. Now we can pull that down. If you were looking inside this port, you can see a 10mm headed mounting nut. You can also look through this side right through here. Now from the outside, we're going to wiggle the tail lamp assembly around until we can pull it out of place. There it is, friend. Now we're going to clean the mounting area. For this, I'm just using a rag with some glass cleaner. Just clean it as well as you deem fit. Now let's prepare to install our brand new inner tail lamp assembly. Along the back side, you're going to find 3 studs. Those need to fit into their corresponding ports on the trunk lid itself. Let's bring this into position. Line it up, press it in. A couple light taps. We'll start in all 3 pieces of hardware. Once they're all started in, we can snug them up. Let's get the bulb in position. Line it up, turn that clockwise till it's locked in. Resecure your panel. Close our trunk lid. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is test the functionality of your reverse lamp. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.